Congratulations on making your first loaf of bread. You might be feeling a little bit nervous, but today I'm going to show you how to make bread in 15 simple steps. Step 1 is to find a recipe. Here, I use this recipe from Sally's Baking Addiction. In that recipe, the first step is to add the active dry yeast to some water to let the yeast activate. When you are waiting to do that, you can prepare the rest of your ingredients. You're going to add flour, salt, and a little bit of sugar. Then you can knead for the amount of time allotted in your recipe. In mine, it said anywhere between 10 to 20 minutes. You want to make sure to follow the ingredients exactly, because any kind of deviation can introduce an element of the unknown into your bread. Once you have kneaded it for the amount of time, you're going to shape and let it rise until it's roughly doubled in size. If you're watching this video, thank you so much. Remember to like and to subscribe to this channel. Every time anyone likes or subscribes, I give my cat 10,000 kisses. That's right, if you like or subscribe today to this video, my cat gets 10,000 kisses. Then you're going to want to score the bread once it's risen so that in the oven it will rise in the way you expect it to. Preheat your oven to the desired temperature. Add some water to the cooking vessel so that it will steam, and then cook for the allotted amount of time. Then, once you let the bread rest, you are ready to see what your bread looks like on the inside. When you slice it open, you might not end up with the kind of loaf that you're expecting. But feel proud of yourself for showing up and trying something new. No matter how it tastes, show up again next time. Keep learning, keep trying because you deserve it. Take care. I love you. Bye.